Welcome to LinguaWire English B1. Today, we have two stories. One about a growing fuel crisis in Russian-occupied Crimea, and another about the suspension of the ICC's top prosecutor. Join us to practice your English every day with the latest episode. For transcripts and quizzes, visit LinguaWire.com. I'm here with Sarah, a LinguaWire correspondent who follows international news. Sarah, can you explain what is happening with the fuel crisis in Crimea?
Yes, Daniel. Ukraine has been using drones to attack Russian supply routes to Crimea. These attacks are making it very difficult for Russia to deliver fuel and other supplies to the region.
Why is Crimea so important in this conflict?
Crimea is very important for Russia. It is a base for launching drones and missiles against Ukraine. Also, many Russians visit Crimea for holidays because of its warm climate and beaches.
How are these attacks affecting people living in Crimea?
People in Crimea are facing serious problems. Fuel is hard to find, and many have to wait in long lines at petrol stations, sometimes for up to 10 hours. This is causing frustration among both locals and tourists.
You mentioned drones. How many attacks have there been recently?
Since early May, Ukraine has carried out about 300 drone strikes on trucks, including 30 attacks on fuel tankers. This has caused military transport on a key road to drop by 71% between late May and early June.
What makes this road so important?
The road links the southern Russian city of Rostov to Crimea through Mariupol. It is the main supply route for Russian forces in the south. Without it, their control in the area becomes much harder.
Do you think this situation will improve soon?
It depends on whether Ukraine can keep up these attacks and how quickly Russia can repair the supply lines. For now, the crisis is getting worse, especially for people living in Crimea.
What does this situation tell us about modern warfare?
It shows how new technology like drones can change war. Small, targeted attacks on supply routes can have a big impact on both military operations and civilians.
Now I'm joined by Michael, a LinguaWire correspondent who covers international law. Michael, what is the latest news about the ICC's chief prosecutor?
Daniel, the ICC has suspended Karim Khan, the chief prosecutor, while they investigate serious allegations of misconduct. This means he cannot work until the investigation is complete.
What kind of allegations are these?
The allegations include sexual misconduct, such as unwanted touching and abuse. Khan has strongly denied all these claims through his lawyers.
Who made the decision to suspend him?
A group within the ICC's management oversight body made the decision to suspend him immediately. They also referred the case to the ICC's 125 member states, who will vote on Khan's future.
When will the member states vote?
The vote will take place during a special session arranged as soon as possible. To remove Khan from office, they need a 2/3 majority.
Has Khan been working during this time?
No. Khan has been on voluntary leave since May 2025 while dealing with these allegations.
What does this situation mean for the ICC?
It puts the ICC under a lot of pressure. The court already faces challenges because of its role in international justice. This case could affect its reputation and public trust.
Does the suspension mean Khan is guilty?
No, the suspension is a precaution while the investigation continues. The final decision will come after the member states vote.
What happens if Khan is removed?
If he is removed, the ICC will need to appoint a new chief prosecutor, but the controversy and public attention on the court will likely continue for some time.
Let's review some useful words from today's first story about the fuel crisis in Crimea. First word, supply. It means the things people need, like fuel or food. In the story, Ukraine's attacks stopped the supply of fuel to Crimea. Example, the store has a good supply of fresh fruit today. Second word, shortage. This means not having enough of something. People in Crimea face a shortage of fuel because trucks cannot deliver it. Example, there is a shortage of water after the storm. Third word, queue. This is a line of people or cars waiting for something. People had to queue for up to 10 hours to get fuel. Example, we had to queue for tickets at the cinema. Now, for the second story, let's look at the verb to suspend. It means to stop something for a time, often while checking a problem or as a punishment. Suspend is regular in the present tense. I suspend, you suspend, he suspends. In the past, it is suspended. Example 1. The school suspended the student for bad behavior. Example 2. The company suspended the project until they find more money. Follow LinguaWire for the latest daily episode and build your daily language habit with us.